Grand Rising, Divine Beings. Raasiyanatha here. Another beautiful day in paradise. Another beautiful day. Today I wanted to talk about connecting head energy. Lots of head energy going on. Lots of trying to think things out. Got to spend that time bringing that energy down and feel. So starting off, as I bless my blessings with blessings, my blessings bless me with more blessings to bless my blessings with blessings with. So continue to give out your blessings, continue to bless other people, because it will come back around in some way or another. So the heart is an amazing magnetical center of our body. There's a huge donut torus that goes around us, centering at our heart. The huge donut torus is around everything, is around every atom, and holds everything together. So we have that here in our heart. What we were taught is to try to think everything out. What we were taught is try to use our mind. What we were taught was to use the head energy to figure things out. But we need to bring that energy down to the heart and have a good connection between head and heart. One of the best ways we can do that is just putting your hand on your heart and putting your hand on your head and allowing those energies to connect in that good way. The heart energy is so amazing and so beautiful. It's that love. So we can radiate that love out of our chest. Whenever we have too much head energy, we want to pull that energy down. We want to move that energy down. We can move that energy down with our hands, with our intention. We can move that energy down from connecting them in different ways, and bringing that energy into your heart. Love, 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 love. Radiating that energy out of your heart. Connecting with your heart with your voice. Vibrating your heart with your voice. Love, 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 love. Shining that love light out. Feeling that love. Spending more time in that heart, spending more time in grounding that energy and bringing that energy down. There's always a waterfall of lovely energy flowing. Don't let it get stuck in your head. Don't let it get stuck on your throat. Use your throat. Use your throat to bring out that love, 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 to anchor that heart energy down. Love, 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 love. I have other videos that I talk about rooting that energy all the way down and back to the earth. And that's a really great way to do it too, to keep continuing that energy down. But today, I'm just going to talk about the heart and the head connection. A lot of it gets blocked in the throat chakra by not speaking your truth. We can connect to our heart from our head with our mouth. We have that connection of the throat. So I like to rumble my heart with my throat chakra. Love, 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 love. And I have this blessed bowl that was blessed to me from blessing my blessings. As I blessed my blessings, they blessed me with more blessings to bless my blessings with. Just sit in that heart chakra sound. Sit in that love of your heart. Bring that energy down. Don't try to think it all out until you got a headache. Bring that energy down to your heart center. Love, 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 love. Bringing that energy down. And then having that good flow, that connection, that cycle going between the two. It goes up the back and then down the front, and up the back and down the front. So as our energy comes up, it's this water that pumps up, and then it hits the fire of our chest and of our heart, and it turns to steam. And as that steam comes up, it goes up into our head chakra, and it goes woo woo woo, and then it rains back down. The clouds go up, and then the clouds rain back down and fill back our pool. So we want to keep that energy cycling in that good way. We don't want that head energy to get stuck up here. Let it rain down. Let your tears bring it to your heart. Cry onto your heart. Love, 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 love. We just want to keep that energy flowing. We don't want to keep our energy stuck in one area or the other. So with the love, 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 we can calm ourselves and bring that head energy down into the heart. You can't think it all out. I've tried. It doesn't really work. You got to use your heart. You got to feel. Spend that time feeling. Shine that love out to everyone. Shine that love. Feel that love. Love, 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 love. The heart is our center. We radiate that heart energy out. Radiate that heart out throughout the multiverses. Radiate that heart out in your house. Radiate that heart throughout you, throughout your neighborhood, throughout your country, throughout your state, throughout the world, throughout the universe, throughout the multiverse. Just radiate that love energy out. Love, 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 love. Bring that energy down into your heart. Love, 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 love. We are a miraculous miracle beings on this planet, in the center of Grandfather Sky and Mother Earth. Receive that energy from below. Receive that energy from below and have it in your heart and shine it out your heart. Love, 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 love. So we work from energy from the bottom up and the bottom down. And every day, we send that energy back down so that it can come back up. And as we send that head energy back down, the heart can process it for us, because sometimes our brain can't. We try to, and it's just a lot in our head. So love, 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 love. Bring that energy down. Love, 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 love. And we connect that love energy of our heart from our head and from the earth up. And we are that amazing radiance that we can hold that love, 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 and cultivate that love, 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 and shine that love, love, love back out. Love, 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 love. Love, 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 love. So you have a big torus around you. You have a big donut of energy centered on your heart. So you cycle that energy and flow that energy. Don't let it get stuck in your head. Let it flow to your heart. So connecting to the crown chakra is amazing connection to God, to Goddess, to Creator, to all that divine energy above. So we allow that head energy to be there. And we allow that head energy to not be stuck there, to move. Allow that head energy, all that love, all that light, all those thoughts can go down so that the clarity can come up and we receive. So as I bless my blessings with blessings, my blessings bless me with more blessings to bless my blessings with. So as we take that love from our heart, and we receive that love, as we take that energy, as we receive that energy from above and we receive that energy from below, we are that magical, amazing miracle in the center of our heart that we can shine that love back out in all directions. It's like a lotus flower that's facing down, and its roots just go up into the miraculous expanse of amazingness and receive all of those blessings into our head. And then we allow those thoughts in our gut to fall down and allow our process of our heart to change that energy and to transmute it into wonderful love, and we can send that love back out in all directions. Love, 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 love. And we transmute that head energy of that's too much as our heart transmutes it, turns it into energy, and we can send that energy back out, and the gut continues to fall back down and nourishes Mother Earth in such a good way. So we receive the love, 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 love. From all directions we receive the love. Love, 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 love. We receive the love waterfalls that are coming from above, coming from all angles, from our roots on our crown. We receive all that roots, millions of roots coming up out of our crown chakra of this beautiful lotus that's on our head, and there's all these roots going up and everywhere. We receive all that love energy. We receive all of that energy, all of that wonderfulness, and allow that to come in. And allow it to transmute that head that's got too much tightness, and we allow it to loosen that up. Loosen up that head energy. allow that head energy, all that love, allow that energy to come down and transmute it and let it flow down into your heart. Now we got all that energy in our heart. Now we got so much amazingness that we can do with that. We can heal ourselves. We can heal the world. We can send that love into ourselves, into the depth of every one of our soul cells. So feel it, radiate it. Love, 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 love. Let that love radiate into every little bit of you. Let it shine into all the darkness. Let it shine so bright from the love of your heart that it clears out all that no longer serves us, so that all that gut can fall back down to Mother Earth and nourish Mother Earth. And once we release that and we let that flow out, as we let that what no longer serves us fall out of us, then there's more room for more joy and more bliss, more of that amazing energy that is everywhere, raining down upon us, waterfalls coming in so many directions. Let that flow into you. Let that flow into your heart. Let that love flow. Let that love expand. Let that love grow. And love yourself with that love. Take that love and love yourself. Receive that love and love yourself with it. Because you're divinely supported by love in all directions. Receive it and love yourself with it. Really, truly love yourself with it. Spend the time, practice, love, 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 and love yourself with it. And when you feel that love and you feel that love that you're loving yourself with, it's an amazing, beautiful spot. And then let that love radiate back out of you. Let that love flow out through every single one of your cells. Let that love flow throughout your house, to your family. Let that love flow out to your community. Let that love flow out to the universes. Let that love flow out to the multiverses. Love, 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 love. We are the light. We are the love. All that amazing love energy is you. All that amazing love energy is you. All that energy is you. We don't have to keep it all though. There's so much guck that flies in here from all directions, especially our eyes and our ears. We're seeing all sorts of things. We don't have to keep all of that energy. We can transmute what no longer serves us and send it down and turn it into love, and let that transmute that and let the guck fall back to the earth and nourish the earth, so that we have more room to receive more love and more joy and more bliss. As we have this beautiful, amazing chunk of flesh and bone on top of our head, on top of our body, like floating here in this way, let's utilize it. Let's utilize it in the best way possible. Receiving all the goodness, receiving all the good information, and letting all the guck fall out. Let's not hold all that in here. Let's not hold all that stuff inside and try to think it all out, because it's just gonna hurt. So let's let that energy flow down into our heart. Let's receive that energy into our heart and transmute it. And let the guck fall all the way down. Having that good connection of flow between your heart and your head, a good balance between the head and the heart. It is amazing to have that wonderful balance, to allow nothing to get stuck in the way. Allowing you to speak your truth and open that up and speak what you want to say. Make the sounds, make the noise, let it out. Whatever you want to say, whatever sound, whatever you can, let it flow out. Release it and let that connection from the head to the heart flow, and let that flow be so good. Be that beautiful donut, spiraling that energy, taking it all in good, and letting it all out, what we don't need. So having that connection, having that flow throughout, having that flow flowing from up and down, and having that flow flowing from all directions. We are that flow. We are that. And it's beautiful and amazing to be here and to be this way. And so allow your head energy to be what it is. Allow it to receive and allow it to transmute. And take that head energy and let it fall down to your heart. And let that earth energy come up to your heart. And just love that heart. send it back out. So don't get stuck in your mind. Don't get stuck in the ways you think things should be. Don't get stuck in the way they say things should be. Go into your heart and feel your heart and see what is truth. Feel what is truth. Don't leave all that energy in your head or in your feet or in your hands. Let's be that good flow of energy. Let's let that energy keep flowing through us. We are that amazing energy that can flow through us. As we receive love, 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 and we transmute what is stuck, and as we loosen that up, and then we bring it into the heart and transmute it into the love energy. Take all that head energy, put it into your heart energy, and then send it back out and let the guff fall. Love, 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 love. Your heart is a miraculous magnetical energy that is this huge torus that just flows throughout your body. It is the center, your center. So don't forget that. Remember that. Be that. You are the heart. You aren't the mind. Me not the body, me not the mind. I'm really just, we're really just the all. And the all is love, and love is all, and all is love. So just wanted to come on here today and help you flow your energies from everything that you have and see and feel in your situation. Receive and let it flow. The heart is a wonderful processor. So thank you, creator, creatress. Thank you, all divine angels and blessings and guides and guardians that are sending us all this beautiful energy from all these directions. I receive, I receive, I receive. I transmute that energy to release what no longer serves me, and I feel, and I feel, and I feel, and I feel, and I love, and I love, and I love, and I love, 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 love. And as I love, what no longer serves me falls to nourish Mother Earth, and what does serve me flows to me even more. Because as I bless my blessings with my blessings bless me with more blessings to bless my blessings with more blessings with. So continue to shine your love light. Continue to receive the divine, because you are divine. Continue to be the divine that you are. Continue to radiate that out your heart. The love, 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 love that you are. Continue to be the love that you are and radiate that love that you are so bright. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being the love. Thank you for being the light.